Gratitude and patience is what fuels taqwa. Because the ibadah, the worship, which will be acceptable to Allah, is only that worship which is born out of sincere love, fear, hope in Allah. And we know, as we said in the very beginning, that Allah began Surah Al-Fatiha with gratitude. Alhamdulillah. So it represents the foundation for us to reflect on Allah. The gratitude, what Allah has given us in our lives, that we should be thankful to Him for it. We should remember His blessings, His bounties that He has put in the lives of each and every one of us. This should fuel sincere remembrance of Allah. Sincere remembrance. To be thankful to Allah during this month of intense ibadah.